Welcome to Tesla Vision. Today we will talk about the most recent Tesla news and updates. Let's get into it right away. A few months before Tesla's $1.1 billion Gigafactory in Texas is scheduled to be completed, the California-based EV maker appears to be setting up another industrial facility on its land nearby the Giga-Texas. A plan filed with the city of Austin on the 30th of April shows another large building on the company's 2,500-acre lot. The new facility, codenamed Bobcat Project, is located near the Gigafactory on Harold Road in the city of Austin. The details of the project are scanty so far. The city hasn't offered any further details. It's not clear how large the facility will be, nor where the project will be constructed. However, the project could sit on almost 150 acres that the automaker mysteriously acquired around the Gigafactory, Texas, according to Austin Business Journal. Additionally, a site plan shows that the new facility will cover at least 97 acres, but it does not specify what the automaker intends to use the project for. The Bobcat project showcases another step in Tesla's development plans, and that would include the facility, roadways, driveways, sidewalks, parking lots, and much, much more. A Tesla employee mentioned in the documents refused to respond to a request for comments. Michael Loftus of engineering company Kimley-Horn, who is also listed in the city documents, declined to comment on the matter as well. Austin Business Journal has tried to reach out to Tesla officials in the past few days, but has been unsuccessful. A 24-minute drone video shared recently on YouTube shows what seems to be preparations for the new industrial building in the Bobcat project area. The site looks clear, which sort of indicates that the construction crews have been active. There is a pond in the center, which appears to have been filled before the development. Tesla is poised to construct a battery cell plant at the site, with manufacturing capacity expected to be rolled out in one of the main buildings of the Gigafactory, Texas. Tesla is also reportedly planning a lot of installations at the facility. Elon Musk has previously dropped hints about making the Gigafactory Austin an ecological paradise where the public can drive in and enjoy a number of recreational activities. In a separate story, the leading EV maker in the world, Tesla, has once again hiked the prices of its Model 3 and Model Y. The company is implementing a new round of price adjustments on its Model 3 and Model Y cars for the sixth time this year. The latest round of price changes adds $500 to the cost of the Model 3 Standard Range Plus, Model 3 Long Range Dual Motor All-Wheel Drive, and Model Y Long Range Dual Motor All-Wheel Drive. As per the electric car maker's online price configurator, the cheapest sedan, the Model 3 Standard Range Plus, now starts at $39,490 before options. The price of the Model 3 Long Range Dual Motor All-Wheel Drive has also been bumped from $47,990 to $48,490 before options such as the full self-driving suite, white seats, and new door trim, among other optional features. Similar to the previous price adjustments initiated just 2 weeks ago, the price of the more expensive Model 3 Performance stayed the same at $56,990 before options. The EV maker has also raised the price of its Model Y Long Range Dual Motor All-Wheel Drive from $50,990 to $51,490. Similar to Model 3 Performance, the price of the Model Y Performance has not been affected, meaning the starting price is still $60,990. As we have previously reported, Tesla has continually implemented several price adjustments for its vehicles over the past few months. In February, Tesla rolled out a price reduction, with many entry-level vehicles receiving discounts ranging from $1,000 to $2,000. The prices were then bumped up by $500 on the 11th of March and again by the same amount on the 24th of March. The automaker also implemented 2 price increments of $500 each in April, and now, a few weeks later, we're witnessing another price update. As usual, Tesla does not give explanations for those frequent price changes. Several people are pinpointing Tesla vehicles' price volatility to a mix of reasons, including issues to do with the price of raw materials, the anticipation of federal tax credits for EVs, the ongoing global shortage of semiconductors, rising supply costs, interior changes, among other possible explanations. Some have linked the latest round of price adjustments to a recent report indicating that the company has already sold out its full second quarter production capacity. Tesla has been showing signs that the production capacity for the second quarter of 2021 would be far more impressive than that of the first quarter of 2021. Just a few days into the second quarter, photographs and drone flyovers of the Fremont factory and Gigafactory Shanghai revealed thousands of Model 3s and Model Ys ready to be shipped to their respective customers. Additionally, the price adjustments also call for the company to commission its next two EV production plants as soon as possible. Currently, Tesla is relying on the output of the Fremont factory and Gigafactory Shanghai to meet its demand for EVs. With Giga Texas and Gigafactory Berlin getting in the game, the overall production capacity of the automaker would likely be exceptional. Meanwhile, the Tesla Model Y taxi fleet may soon start cruising through the streets of New York City thanks to the efforts made by Gravity Incorporated, a sustainable mobility and electric vehicle infrastructure company. The NYC Taxi and Limousine Commission recently approved a resolution authorizing the company's pilot program to introduce unlimited number of battery electric vehicles to the NYC yellow cab industry. Gravity intends to participate in the TLC's BEV pilot program using a fleet of Tesla Model Y BEVs. Following the approval of its BEV pilot program, TLC released a statement indicating that the Tesla Model 3 is the only BEV licensed to operate in the pilot program. Gravity, however, is jointly working with regulators, state agencies, corporations, real estate owners, and other stakeholders to bring Tesla Model Y taxicabs to the city. By reimagining the legacy of the iconic yellow taxi, Gravity is bringing a new value to travel that the city needs, said Gravity Advisor and Regulatory Counsel Matt Dawes. We wholeheartedly applaud the TLC and the Commissioner for their forward-looking BEV pilot and look forward to being a big part of it. In a press statement, Gravity noted that all BEVs with an acceleration that's less than 4.4 seconds qualify to join the pilot program. The long-range Tesla Model Y automatically qualifies for the inclusion, so this paves the way for Gravity to proceed with its TLC licensing application to deploy its fleet of Model Y cabs and fully participate in the pilot program. Gravity believes there is no BEV better suited for the NYC Taxi and Limousine Commission's pilot program than the Tesla Model Y. According to the company, the Tesla Model Y is a perfect bet because it can seat passengers comfortably thanks to its spacious rear cabin. Besides, the SUV boasts enough range capable of running multiple shifts in an urban city, and so on and so forth. According to Gravity CEO Moshe Cohen, the company is deploying electric cabs to New York City, which he notes will be the taxis of the future and the charging spaces of the future. Cohen goes ahead by pointing out the significance of the program. We found a pragmatic approach to sustainable transportation that's focused on health, safety, and the passenger experience. Gravity is proud to have spearheaded a business model that's made for people and provides for the technology needs of the modern commuter and BEV owner, Cohen said. NYC yellow taxis are an opportunity to make significant innovations in BEV fleets and public charging infrastructure, all while creating fair and incentive-compatible working conditions for drivers, he added. It appears that Gravity began the designing and rolling out of the BEV's fast-charging infrastructure even before the pilot program has been given the green light to start. The company started searching for different locations that would be suitable for setting up its charging infrastructure and equipment. Among the factors that Gravity used to identify the sites are the power limitations of the area, topographical layout, the charging duration and utility rates, and even the time of day when the charging takes place. Reimagining the battery electric vehicle charging experience, Gravity has gone beyond thinking about stations to reimagining the BEV charging infrastructure to create a welcoming and predictable hands-free user experience. The company also plans to bring its modernization capabilities to other busy cities. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.